Enabling the nightlight feature on your Windows 11 computer is important. By turning it on, you can protect your eyes from blue light, and with this short video tutorial, we would show you exactly how to do that. Now to enable the feature, you must go to Settings by going to the Start menu, then choose Settings. Now once you're in the settings, go to System, followed by Display, and the nightlight option will be in the Brightness and Color section. Then just toggle the button to on. You can also schedule your hours by clicking More Options. Now once you have set the time, you're good to go. Additionally, you can also adjust the strength of the nightlight and tweak some other settings. Now there is no need to restart your computer. And that's all there is to it when it comes to enabling the nightlight feature in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.